way too smoky.
Oh, let's go for a ride.
Okay.
All right.
Let's go.
Somewhere along the line, the Bixby Bridge.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
What do you think?
I think it's pretty spectacular.
Yeah.
Yep, Highway 1, Pacific Coast Highway. It's lunchtime.
I'm ready.
It has our name written all over it.
Somebody say Tampa?
I'm heading down to San Simeon.
This is actually a stretch of Highway 1 we have not ridden yet. It's been closed for about 2 years and it just reopened earlier this summer.
Heading to the beach. Sunset in San Simeon.
We have been like just pounded by the fires lately around where we live, and it's been really super smoky, so we kind of felt like we needed some fresh air.
Oh boy, is it ever fresh. It's so nice.
So we hit the ocean.
Yep.
And
So
it is beautiful today. We gonna time lapse some sunset action? If we can figure out a way to get to the beach, we are going to be at the beach.
we seriously needed some vitamin C.
There's just tons of wildfires going on, and man, those poor people that are dealing with all that. I can't even imagine, but you know, it was just, the smoke was so thick in the Sacramento Valley that
We just needed to get out for a day.
yeah, we need to get out. It's been hot. It's been like 100+ degrees for weeks. It's like, we're done. And we love the ocean, so any excuse we can find to come to the ocean.
We're gonna be there.
We are hanging out at the fire pit next to the ocean.
Fire pit, ocean.
That's right.
How you feeling?
I'm feeling fantastic. This was a great day. Great day. Hey, good morning everybody from San Simeon.
It's
Starting our day.
It's gorgeous
Yeah,
already.
check this out. It is just beautiful. We had lunch today,
And oh my God, the views were.
yeah. If you're ever on this part of Highway 1, you got to stop by. Good
Stop
food
by.
and outstanding scenery.
Yeah.